Hey everybody, it's Jeremiah Telemontes from Red Team Security and Red Team Security Training. I'm the author of the Social Engineers Playbook, and you might have seen me and my team in a video that went viral on YouTube called Hacking the Grid. Today I'd like to talk to you about Red Team tools. Oftentimes we get requests from viewers and whatnot asking about the kinds of things that we use during our real life Red Team engagements. And I'd like to go through that with you today. So I'm just going to refer to a website here called kit.com, and I'll be sure to post the full URL here in the description. But this is again what we use on a normal basis throughout our red teaming engagements. There's probably, looks like 51 products in here. I won't go through each and every one of these, but these are tools that we have used, that we keep in house for various red team engagements. Okay. Please share with your colleagues. There should be a share button around here somewhere. Yeah, please share Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and hopefully you find this kind of thing useful. We'll continue to produce these kind of videos if you subscribe and like. Again, visit us on redteamsecuritytraining.com for more information. Thanks again and have a great day.